Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to Biology with Medico class metric biology MCQs from chapter number 5 reproduction. So let's start. MCQs number 1. In Plasmodium, the dash type of asexual reproduction takes place: budding, binary fission, fragmentation, or multiple fission. So the correct option is option number D, multiple fission. MCQs 2. Monocot seed, such as maize grain, divided into two unequal parts by a thin layer of cells called epithelium, endosperm, embryo, scutellum. So the option A is correct, epithelium. MCQs 3. The condition for seed germination which perform imbibition process to break down the seed coat: temperature, oxygen, water, sunlight. So the correct option is option C, water. MCQs 4. An onion, which type of vegetative propagation found? Bulb, stolon, bulbil, grass. So the correct option is bulb. MCQs 5. Type of fertilization which takes place in water is known as: option A, internal fertilization; option B, external fertilization; option C, both A and B; option D, none of these. So the correct option is external fertilization. MCQ 6. The type of fertilization which is found is necessary for evolution: option A, vegetative; option B, cloning; option C, sexual reproduction; option D, fragmentation. So the correct option is sexual reproduction. MCQ 7. Double fertilization found in: option A, bryophytes; option B, pteridophytes; option D, gymnosperm; option D, angiosperm. So the correct option is angiosperm. MCQs number 8. The technique where a desired variety of plants is joined to another plant, the joint branch or plant, is called: option A, scion; option B, stalk; option C, both A and B; option D, none of these. So the correct option is stalk. MCQs 9. The type of reproduction which takes place in the yeast and plant: option A, budding; option B, spores; option C, fission; option D, vegetative propagation. So the correct option is budding. MCQs 10. Female gametophyte of angiospermic plant is: option A, embryosac; option B, ovule; option C, ovary; option D, carpel. So the correct option is embryosac. MCQs number 11. Adventitious roots are usually produced by dash propagation: option A, sexual reproduction; option B, option A is asexual reproduction; option B, sexual reproduction; option C, vegetative propagation; option D, both A and C. So the correct option is both A and C. MCQs 12. The eggs of honey bee remains unfertilized and develops into the male by: option A, budding; option B, parthenocarpy; option C, parthenogenesis; option D, regeneration. So the correct option is parthenogenesis. MCQs 13. Plant stem that arises from buds on the base of parent plants are: option A, bulb; option B, rhizomes; option C, sucker; option D, runner. So the correct option is sucker. MCQs 14. The ovule has a stalk with which is attached to ovary wall, known as option A, a funicle, option B, pedicle, option C, filament, option D, pecticle. So the correct option is funicle. MCQs 15. The type of reproduction which is known as micropropagation. Option A, grafting, option B, tissue culture, option C, layering, option D, cutting. So the correct option is tissue culture. MCQ 16. The innermost part of flower is option A, androecium, option B, gynoecium, option C, sepal, option D, petal. So the correct option is androecium. MCQ 17. In angiosperms, dominant stage is option A, sporophytes, option B, gametophytes, option C, both and B, and option D, none of these. The correct option is sporophytes. MCQ 18. The megaspore mother cells in carper produces dash number of haploid cells. Option A 1, option B 3, option B 4, option D 6. So the correct option is 4. MCQs 19. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower. Option A, pollination, option B, self-pollination, option C, cross-pollination, option D, reproduction. So the correct option is self-pollination. MCQs 19. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma of same flower. Option A, pollination, option B, self-pollination, option C, cross-pollination, option D, reproduction. So the correct option is self-pollination. MCQ 20. Which of these cells have haploid number of chromosomes? Option A, spermatogonium, option B, primary spermatocyte, option C, secondary spermatocyte, option D, all of these. So the correct option is option C.